Let me answer this very
because they are stereotypes. Most of the parents think that I will provide my son best financial expensive schools.
Moreover, they want
Most of the
high
population
social
believes that
status
too.
in the society. That is why they always think that if they will send their children to the government school, what will the other people say? That
Yes.
this person is a very rich and he's sending his or her child
Exactly.
to a government school. That is a stereotype in society.
Most properly answer is the just stereotypes thinking, nothing at
But
all.
this is reality. 70 to 60% people are saying
You said only social status. Only social status.
For social status.
If they're asking questions, then we'll give answer now. If they are satisfied, then we don't need to talk about it.
But this is not the good reason, because as I think that parents send their children to private school for the better quality education, for their better future, and you are saying that for so aristocrat or
Then when the government school exams are held, then why all these parents are like that? They are pressurized. That
If you have parents to send their children in private school, there are also parents to send their children in government school.
Most of the
Oppose this statement now.
parents have done money to
Moreover, the
send them to
most
private
important thing is the government has established government school for the right to education for every student. Private school won't provide that. They won't take every children in a village and they will teach them free of cost and even at a very low cost.
Without any
Source of
partiality.
income like government schools. Government schools are not managed by government, and private school is not managed by any individual. So he has not more resources to study and.
You right now
can't
yourself
limit
said that
education.
private
We
schools
can't
have
limit
very rich
education.
resources. Can't they provide
But we
education to
think-
all?
Resources, but those resources are managed by our fee, na? They are not
So don't play education. You can't play with education. If you have no
They
facilities, you can't. You can't
They
admit
were
students.
very
don't
very
have
aware
to-
of the education for children.
As we
They
see
will
from the
admit all the children there, and there are many schools that take donation fee for that.
As
Even
we
for
see,
admission and
most of
admission.
private schools waste their money only for advertisement.
or their propaganda.
Only for their advertisement, they are wasting their 25% of their income.
Listen,
They are
just relate it with a very good example. If you're living in a Delhi, there is a person living in a Delhi. He has a very high status. Will he send his child to a KB school if he has an offer and he has very good money, or he will send it to a private school?
only in Delhi, not in all India.
No.
If they are
How can you say
in
not in all
school,
India? We
there
have
is
Kerala, we have
school.
Delhi, we have Gujarat.
Telangana
We have
also.
everything.
Punjab also.
Not these, not 28 or 29 states. You just like
Do
4 or
private
5
school do
states.
that for all the 29 states? Do private schools have for all the 29 states? Can you say that?
Not 29 states, but private school have
So if you
like
can say
more.
for private school it's not for 29 states, then for government schools also.
And if
Same
we
applies
have-
for it.
Students are also going in government schools like Sainik school, no other schools. They crack their examination for that, na. And from this, many of government, private,
Many
all
of the
these type of
students-
students are filled up from only
Many
for
of the
government
students give
schools.
very
Why?
hard exam just to crack to go in government schools.
Government schools, why?
Why
Why
is it so? Are they wasting their time? Of course not.
In Bihar, most of the students are desired to only for government schools like Kendriya schools, Sainik schools.
And one more thing that your question was ki private schools, the parents prefer to send their children to private school. It is also because the parents have better affordability for private school, or sometimes the private school are very near to their house. So that is also a case. We can't deny that. That is also a case.
And we know that if there is no government schools, then many of the students are waste their time only for child labor. So there is government school midday meal scheme. That most of the student goes to government school.
If there was no government school in this country, most of the students
And government has also
would never be able to study. Most
It's
of the high
duty of government,
aristocrats.
but it's the duty of government, not of any personal individual,
Is that-
to teach children free of cost.
Acha,
So it is the duty and it's fulfilling its duty. Isn't it right?
Yes, I
Of
agree.
course, it is right.
I agree, but
So what is the problem with that?
but those private individuals who are teaching like from our fees, not from because
For
they have
business
no
purpose
source of
only.
For business purpose only, na.
not business purpose.
So what is the purpose? Are they providing facility for the society? If they would be providing facilities for the society, then they would teach free of cost.
And
Can you
is
state that?
is
They
that
have to pay to their teacher also and maintain all.
Okay, so that is the question कि उनको पे करना रहता है टीचर को, but in that case they can, if they are not able to provide free of cost, they can at least reduce the fee for those poverty stricken parents. They can even reduce.
There are 25% reservation for the lower class or the poor people.
But the richer section
fraud and
feels
corruption
that.
is fraud and corruption can't do this.
You know, you are saying that 25% of the seats are in private schools are reserved for underprivileged.
yes.
But in reality, if you will go and see, the most of the parents that are of high status, that have high money, they occupy that space for their students.
From underprivileged, they
Most
paid
of
for
the
this.
people
Only
are
fraud and
They
corruption
paid a large
happens.
sum of money and fulfill that seat.
This is
So
only-
where is the vacancy?
This is only theoretical things. It can't be
That's
practical.
above
Practically,
layer that you are
private schools you can
talking.
see.
If you
Only,
see root thing,
only richer
you
section,
won't be
richer
able
section of
to
the
get that.
And you told me
estate
that
comes to
government,
study.
private school is that responsibility of government to carry all the students in government schools. No, this is not true now. But government has one more advantage, that government started mid-day meal system only for the attendance. You can imagine those who can't
Not just only for attendance, but for the retention.
But
of the
those child who neither come will also come from this scheme.
Their parents prefer to send their children, at least they would get the education
From
also.
this scheme.
She said government school has more facilities provided more than
Private school.
Are you agree?
Private school won't provide facility.
Also it's not also it's not taken out.
If you have any query, then please ask now.
You can ask questions.
Does government school have computer labs? Either give your opinion.
Otherwise,
Government schools have also
NCCA
computer labs, science labs, sports
Most of the
facilities.
government schools, if you're talking like this, I think you don't have very much knowledge about government.
Have you ever visited any
No,
government
let
school?
me
From their sides now.
Let me finish.
Now next topic is proper attention. Suitable for the proper attention. Private schools.
The ratio of teachers to students is small enough in government schools due to the lack of classroom and faculty. They are trying to accommodate maximum students in the one classroom and they cannot give proper attention to the all students. In fact, most of the teachers of government school, they can keep busy in non-teaching works like weaving clothes in classroom, talking another person in calls the classroom, etc. But in the private school, every teacher's duty, each and every class monitors, and he gives to proper education to the all students.
Because if in private school the teacher will not study, then the head of the school will deduct their fees,
And they have
and the teachers are only for their employment. In search of employment, they visited private schools.
And one more thing that you're talking about reading and all that like things in classroom. That you're talking about program times. Not the time has changed.
With respect to time, government schools have
Give a recent
changed more and
example.
more.
In the modern time.
We want some recent examples that teacher are weaving clothes.
Weaving clothes. Have you ever seen this
while
type of
during the
examples?
class?
Recently.
If you visit to the government school of your area, you can see that.
No,
behind this session, I already said.
Then we also
No.
visited private schools. We also see this
There
type
are
of
some
activity.
private schools also.
You are saying the
where
teachers are
these
not
kinds of
accountable
stuff
towards
happen.
them.
There is a small house. People
Of
start.
course. You know the latest news for Bihar. There is the government has to launch an app that would track
GPS tracker
that
app.
would
That's the
track
application
at
name.
the school time where the teachers are, whether they are in their schools or whether they are outside the school, and that would enhance the accountability of the teachers in government school.
And also what the
that is
management
supported by
is
state.
saying,
Just as I said, we are in democracy, and democracy relies on progress, and we are progressing.
For the checking at time to time, DM also visits some government schools.
and video.
And video also.
Videos, they are all also
Regularly.
presentation.
Regularly.
And you agree this point, regularly DM
Yes,
going
yes.
to- yes,
Yes.
Not
regular.
DM don't visit regularly. They have
It's a
their
DM,
work.
not
DM is in charge of the whole district. They have to carry out many
Many
more
government
works.
schools.
But they do that also. They visit government schools.
Next topic, fee structure.
Provided no
From that section.
Government school free of cost.
Sometimes no.
Sometimes it's no. But private schools, give your opinion. Fee structure.
Private school charge the fee for secretary and transport fee. But in a government school, impact of education, they give education free. Impact of education only class up to 8.
You want to say that government schools only provide education to children up to 8? Of course, free of cost, but above that they provide the education but at a low cost. Lower than, much lower than the private schools. Much lower than.
Then the section of lower society, how can it afford it? How can it afford
How
it?
can they afford now?
It is as much low as they can afford it.
As
It
much
is
as
low.
more than private schools. You
Listen,
guys need
why
to think
they have-
about that. How can they afford
Listen,
private
just think.
schools?
Listen, just think. Why they have so much reduced fee? Is it for their own? No, it is for the weaker section. Then why they would reduce the fee? They have reduced it for the weaker sections only, right?
Any question? Women empowerment. First section 8.
Section 8. For the women empowerment, we know that the lady teacher, if she pregnant, then government school provided 6 month rest totally with fee.
That is better.
That is
With their salary.
with their salary, which is very helpful for her with her child and all this type of activities. So this is one of the best example of women empowerment. And also government provided after 10th, government gives some money for a girl child. From that, their parents are able to teach more and more classes, because in rural areas or many areas we see that parents are not allowed girls to teach. So this is one of the more steps that government are provided from women empowerment. And also in class 8, government provided rupees only for their cycles
Providing cycles.
cycles to girls, which is very helpful for girls. I think these are our points from women empowerment. And also in Kerala there are KB school which is only for girls. Government run the school only
Hostel,
for
boarding
girls.
school.
Hostel, if you clear the examination, this all type
And one
of
more
facilities
plus point
are
that-
provided. So this is the best example for women empowerment.
And one
School
more
name is
plus point that
GBHS is public school which is situated in Kerala.
Yeah.
Let me just add one thing, and one more
Section B.
plus point that we have in government school that is totally for girls. It has all the facilities in its campus itself. Whether it is in terms of safety and everything, CCTV cameras and all. Sanitation facilities we also have there, and the physical education facilities also. And even they have in their campus doctors for the treatment.
24 hours doctor facilities are
24
available.
into
Yes,
7.
Surveillance of police. In
with the surveillance of police. So this is okay.
All facilities are not available in every state.
There are 5 or 7 states. There are
Can you name any private school that has these facilities? All these facilities.
All these
At least we
facilities.
have.
Just tell me.
If you are telling that not all those states have these facilities, at least
government
it is not
has some
that
states.
case. But let us assume that only one government school has this facility. Can you say that any private school has this facility?
Proper facilities. Can you give
Any
give us
government
an
school has
example?
all
Then
these
I agree with your
facilities.
point.
Can you
If
say
you give
that?
us some examples, then I will agree with your points.
Okay, then last, faculty's future. Faculty's future.
Section B.
Section B.
As we know, in private school and in government school, teachers are more qualified and more educated. And in
This topic was already
If in government school teacher are highly qualified, then why the result of the government school is not better than the private school?
Question is the second case. First, your opinion.
Yes, sir.
First you tell me why.
The result of the government
It's
school.
out of topic.
Yes, sir. It's out of topic.
The topic is dedication. I think.
Dedication of faculty.
Dedication about
पहले तो अपनी बात रखोगे तब ना क्वेश्चन First of private school we give some opinion. Provide the opportunity of employment for the teacher who are educated. They can teach in private school.
Sorry, what was the question?
It's not
He's saying that employment.
for employment.
Government school also give employment for teachers
They can't
which are qualified.
Revise again.
The topic is faculty culture.
Okay, next.
Of course, there is a security to the teachers in that government school. If they have qualified the test, they are able to teach there as long as they want. And that is a very good security to the people, and also for the women empowerment, that also comes in security.
I think you all are well, very good knowledge, but preparation of section B is very poor. Frankly speaking, okay. Now we conclude the debate competition. Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Next time you better prepare.
Thank you.